Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to explain what we're going to do as best we know about the COVID-19 coronavirus crisis. We regard the workshops as fairly high risk because students are very close together and because many different students rotate through the room. So if someone in third year quantum mechanics has COVID-19 and coughs on the table and then 3 hours later you're in there doing a workshop, you could catch it. So our plan is, for this week, the workshops, you have the choice of either coming in person or doing them remotely. From next week, they will be 100% online. So this week's kind of a chance to get the bugs out of the system. The labs are lower risk because we only have our class in there and we can spread out a bit more. We will still run labs this week. Next week we will probably take them online, at least for a while, though that's not quite decided yet. We'll keep this updated, but most likely fully online from next week onwards. What are we going to do for the online workshops? We're going to use the Zoom video conferencing software. What will happen is your tutors will email you the details for how to connect to a Zoom video conference. You should prepare for each workshop by watching a video and reading the question.
Now, in preparation for a virtual workshop, your first step is to download the Zoom software for a laptop or the Zoom app on a mobile device. So if you click on the link here in Wattle, it will take you to the ANU page, which explains how you sign in using a university ID and password, and then tell you how to install it. It's important to use your ANU ID to sign in because that gives you access to the ANU corporate license version of Zoom, which has rather more power than the free version. The next preparation for each workshop is to go down to the week we're in, and you will see a workshop video which you should watch before coming to class. This workshop video includes me talking through the key points of the workshop, all the things I would normally say during the workshop and any demonstrations I do. You can also find it on Echo 360. And in addition to that, there is the actual text of the workshop, the piece of paper we normally hand out in class, which you should look at here. And I would strongly advise that you read through and start thinking about the questions before you come so that you can make good use of your time at the workshop. If you haven't seen it before and haven't thought about it, when you get stuck, you're not going to get stuck soon enough to be able to get help. Once you're prepared, you will start the virtual workshop, which will be at the same time as you normally attended the workshop. So if you're in the 10 a.m. Thursday session, you will join the virtual group at 10 a.m. We're not going to get the whole 50 or 60 people in class on a single video group chat. That would be a bit unwieldy. Instead, we're going to break you down to groups of 15 or 20, working with each of the tutors. These are the same tutors who are marking your work. So you'll see here Zoom groups and marking groups, and if you click on this, you will see for each person, so for example, Phoebe Duhan, her tutor is Huma Latif, there's the email of your tutor, and there's the Zoom meeting ID that you will use to connect with them. And as you scroll down here, you'll find those details for everybody. So take a note or copy and paste this number. Then when you start Zoom up, you will be able to press join, and then you will type that number in here, press join, and you'll be able to join the video group.
I have also asked the tutors to send you an email invitation to join the group. So if you can't get that to work, just check through your emails and you should see an invitation with a link that you can click on to join the Zoom group.
Now please use earphones, headphones, if you've got them, for these video workshops. Otherwise there tends to be a feedback loop where whatever you say or listen to gets echoed back in. It makes it very hard to work. So if you haven't got any, I assume most people do, but if you haven't got some, you can buy them very cheap from many places. Any sort of earphone. It doesn't have to have a microphone attached, just something so the sound goes into your ears and not back into the computer mic or phone microphone.
So that's how we plan to run the workshops. This is experimental. We have not done this before. So if anything doesn't work, please bear with us. We're trying our best, and let us know, or let your class reps know, and we will try and sort it out and make it work better. This is a new experiment. No one knows how to run courses like this online. We will do our best, and please tell us if anything is not working. In terms of doing the homework and pre-reading quizzes, that's all as before. Nothing has changed there. For the labs, most likely we will go fully online from next week, but please remember to keep attending this week. If you have any questions, use the course Facebook page or email me, and let's all hope things get better soon.